First reading, James chapter 4 verse 1 to 10. From whence are wars and contentions among you? Are they not hence, from your concupiscences, which war in your members? You covet, and have not, you kill, and envy, and cannot obtain. You contend and war, and you have not, because you ask not. You ask, and receive not, because you ask amiss, that you may consume it on your concupiscences. Adulterers, know you not that the friendship of this world is the enemy of God? Whosoever therefore will be a friend of this world, becometh an enemy of God. Or do you think that the scripture saith in vain, to envy doth the Spirit covet which dwelleth in you? But he giveth greater grace. Wherefore he saith, God resisteth the proud, and giveth grace to the humble. Be subject therefore to God, but resist the devil, and he will fly from you. Draw nigh to God, and he will draw nigh to you. Cleanse your hands, ye sinners, and purify your hearts, ye double-minded. Be afflicted, and mourn, and weep, let your laughter be turned into mourning, and your joy into sorrow. Be humbled in the sight of the Lord, and he will exalt you. Psalms chapter 55 verse 7 to 11a and 23. And I said, who will give me wings like a dove, and I will fly and be at rest? Lo, I have gone far off flying away, and I abode in the wilderness. I waited for him that hath saved me from pusillanimity of spirit, and a storm. Cast down, O Lord, and divide their tongues, for I have seen iniquity and contradiction in the city. Day and night shall iniquity surround it upon its walls, and in the midst thereof are labor. Cast thy care upon the Lord, and he shall sustain thee, he shall not suffer the just to waver forever. Gospel, Mark chapter 9 verse 30 to 37. And departing from thence, they passed through Galilee, and he would not that any man should know it. And he taught his disciples, and said to them, the Son of Man shall be betrayed into the hands of men, and they shall kill him, and after that he is killed, he shall rise again the third day. But they understood not the word, and they were afraid to ask him. And they came to Capharnaum. And when they were in the house, he asked them, what did you treat of in the way? But they held their peace, for in the way they had disputed among themselves, which of them should be the greatest. And sitting down, he called the 12, and saith to them, if any man desire to be first, he shall be the last of all, and the minister of all. And taking a child, he set him in the midst of them. Whom when he had embraced, he saith to them, whosoever shall receive one such child as this in my name, receiveth me. And whosoever shall receive me, receiveth not me, but him that sent me.